Hi, my name is Elliot, and I am at Oak Hammock Middle School teaching culinary arts. We have 3 levels of courses. Introductory course is offered to 6th graders or those who've never had cooking before. In the introductory class, they are exposed to simple meals that they could cook in 20 minutes or less. They are also taught kitchen etiquette. I also teach an advanced course. Advanced culinary includes preparing more complicated meals. The students are taught how to plate and present the food properly. The 3rd course that I offer is a certification class called Serve Safe. It is offered only to 8th graders. The 8th graders are prepared for a possible future in the food industry. They are trained to learn the front of the house and back of the house etiquette. We have prepared pies. We have prepared full meals that include pasta with some kind of meat and vegetables. And we plate it, and they are taught how to present the food. My name is Elliot, and I am at Oak Hammock Middle School teaching culinary arts.